Hi, Azeem. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. I'm Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, myself Azeem. I'm from Udupi. Uh, I'm pursuing here a CMT training as a advanced construction management course. And coming to my education, I have completed my bachelor's in civil engineering in SMU College, Udupi. I know about CMTA by seeing YouTube and from Google. From that, I came to join CMTI.
You have taken construction management course, right?
Yes.
Can you explain what are the topics and you have learned in that subject?
Okay, in CACM, like construction, advanced construction management course, there are like reading of drawing starting and sequence of construction and methodology, construction methodology, and QS, BPS, and even the interiors also included in that. And yeah, almost the topic is covered in that courses.
Yeah. You have visited various sites, right?
Yeah.
Can you
We,
tell us about that?
okay. We have site visit also. We have 2, 3 site visit. Like went like from scratch up to like end also. From scratch as like foundations to finishes. Sites are there, and even some interior like exhibition also there. Expo and Magic Bricks. So we visited in this type of sites.
How is the trainer support?
Coming to the trainers, it's good. Training was like good. Like well experienced trainers are there, 2, 3 of them, like and nitrogens or everything are like very good.
Yeah, that's good. How is the Ashok's support?
Yeah, it's good. He supports each and every time.
Okay. What you want to tell for the juniors who want to join CMTI?
Like after completing bachelor's, if they require any experience, means like they can join CMT of the fresher one, so they can understand regarding the construction.
Can I know for which role you have selected?
Coming to design role, I have selected for a design role.
Okay, that's nice. And congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you.